Abusuafo me mo bibia kwa ba de ba GCN page so midin e de adwoa search him mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel nia notification bell on so for more news. Untumi TV e wo Ashanti region na omo ye political talk shows bebre e wo so na eho e na Ashanti region NPP communicators no ekoye discussion na political talk show ba kwa wa to ne the morning show so and NPP communicators etrese eya oman peninda that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enemu na auto ayampia akopeke ne forms as see no oko campaign tour and the campaign tour na oko nyansen keto akran nsem de okemi na ne nsem bia oka ne se ye aboso Okaifuo omo etrese omo adwana na Addo eya His Excellency na Addo danko akufo Addo Ghana ye man penin aboso Okaifuo etrese omo adwano ni nane se na Addo ba ya membu emu ayedin economy ni mu ayedin isi omu ntumi nkofa spare part me ye adwuma isi omu adwana na Addo yie pa nya asem keto akra sa no mampenda da John Dramani Mahama ene ma oka na eno na NPP communicators etrese o mampenda da John Dramani Mahama stop stimencho e wo bia obua aboso Okaifuo no obua na de enti omo kasa no omo etrese omo adwana na Addo because His Excellency na Addo danko akufo Addo ye Ghana ye mampani obeye president no wanche wo mampani da John Dramani Mahama ntum ene penti ena aboso Okaifuo so omo de adwa His Excellency na Addo danko akufo Addo because abro ye president who du omo ewu ankasa ene port ho wontumi yi niama okọ na oton port no enti no chese edin awiase Ghana ha ye din aboso Okaifuo ntimi nya adwuma omunya mfaso ni na nefi ho na emum His Excellency na Addo danko akufo Addo bai omo yire omo hoto abama na obeye president wantumi anchewo omampenda da John Dramani Mahama antumi no eho ya onti no omo de kasa nti men kase aboso Okaifuo edi na Addo no ho ya se why the we disappoint Ghana fo ana se economy na enkoyi o da bi wanchi wantumi nti ana yenti nsem a NPP communicators de etudwa
eno me nyamsoma beka to ani a wajajo Mahama
the mama synchrophone subo de bre no bu ani aja ya nu ye ho
okay ayi afunumu ba no Yesu kwatena no so a
odne ko Jerusalem
na emade ntoma se fom na ye no Hosanna hallelujah na oje ne samba no Yesu ni ho a wasaka obi onu je na siye to bo kra bo no enti the Mahama de na ye ni da so nyina ne se na Addo ba ya wo chi no wa chi ni ministers ne na appointees na wo mabu o mana faso no ene na ya ne ye Ghana fo ya wo enya na wo je ba ne ye hwe free wo
that's about ba me confirm ya dey free SHS by I think so August 2017 and na ye koye program bi wo aboso kan
September
yes first term and na aboso kan for say in fact some voice me hwe se me hu a almost na Addo ye ka se free SHS bi a ko kwati John Mahama ko for tuma wo you see that is what Addo mo pe no almost wo mo pe free SHS Addo mo pe ne say na Addo nkwachi John Mahama ene ne nkofo sika o mudiro o mo nkwachi muntu it is John Mahama obi be space how do you tell say why disappointed na Addo not because of deliverables deliverables so there head to head a free kwame nkroba be sin ne no president
ni na Addo match
obi no be president Akufo Addo a match head to head
na godon
yes
John Mahama no an kan kire ndisi fo ne se wo man koye campaign Akufo Addo be chichomatum
eva jifa ativo
anko kemi
voter region
jifa Mahama an kase se ye chinkrofo na omkomo solidarity
yeah
die ntina na o kasa akire wo no wono anim boni a na wo madi agu wo man yimu ansa na wo mokro enti omnim se ye de ne ye be chi won ana na Addo nso aja ehumabro na awura na ama abroso na amamde nam ha
elo momu de a for abroso
ya ehumabro na abroso
I was saying pay the privilege and na utie ego wuntumi
ade bi wo a ye se ori ofonsa na he den na he ode because of phone ne nsa te se nipa dasani wonsa say it is about show of powership in the NDC the akoko wie nyina no when the leadership of the party decided to take a decision concerning parliament, the parliamentary caucus, the leadership were not informed. but rather the power that was with the national chairman, the general secretary, and the leadership of the party unilaterally took that decision and hanged it, even though at the point members of parliament of the NDC were saying, say, no. Yes, of course, the power is in your hands, but let's jojo. You can change the leadership of the house. But some George came out. There are a number of them. You mentioned, a lot of them came out. A lot of them spoke, say, no, the leadership, no, you have every right. Some of us are the leadership of the house. But you don't do it in isolation. Some George went ahead and said, say, even a headmaster can't sit in his head office and appoint a head of class captain. Negotiation goes on our classroom for the class to have their say. And Sana, class captain, appointed. Until the leadership can't sit up there. On headquarters, not only dictate solely for the MPs. Leadership no antie. Miami wafa. Ora Sierun Ketia led leadership. Wantie. He didn't listen. Because at that point, he had the support of the leadership, the council of elders. And they were, whatever he said to them, wakacho omo. But coming him say, be anyone and kebe say, or ne parliament, NDC MPs, Amasa, they showed power. Omu yusu, power, authority. Yes. So also won't tell say or parliament, do your worst. Nobody cares. No, did you hear Haruna speak? Did you hear Muntaka speak? Who is the other one? Is it Abuja? Aveji? All of them, even though they were not happy, they kept mute. They respected the decision of the party, and then they went to actually. Then the new leadership came. At that point, Nebinum Fee said, "Mpanimfo party no." Dr. Tony Addo said this. Sir, it is not about maturism in the party. Dr. Tony Addo, I was watching him. I think it's either Radio Gold or Radio. I was watching him on Facebook. It's not about maturism. Who has power? Who has this? But it is about the mutual respect. Nobody listens to him. And then fast forward. I say, 2 million abedi MPs no so ensem to help the party. You see, it's about power. Why not power no one in some? Power no kodi the national executive say no. Omo ye the umpire without any consultation, without any recourse to the members of parliament. Now the power, fast forward, abedi MPs in some. The party wants to detect again for the MPs. They were quiet. They were very, very quiet. Nobody whispered, Obianyari.